Are you looking for the best travel cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best travel cameras the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Olympus OMD EM5 Mark. As far as interchangeable lens options go, the Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III is one of the best travel cameras you can get. As part of the Micro Four Thirds M4/3 system, it offers a good combination of portability and quality. Though it isn't as heavy-duty as higher-end models like the Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III or the OM System OM1, it has a more compact body that makes it better for travel. Plus, it's packed with many of the same features, including computational photography modes and a wide selection of compact 4/3 lenses to keep the overall size of your kit down. While the newer OM System OM5 has a better processor with a few extra features, it's largely the same camera, and you can still find the EM5 Mark III for less. Beyond its compact size, the camera feels well built, with weather sealing for added peace of mind when you're shooting in adverse weather conditions. It also has an excellent 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, which can reduce camera shake in travel vlogs or make it easier to shoot at slower shutter speeds in trickier lighting. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the longest battery life, so you might have to buy a spare battery for long days on the go, but if you're looking for something small and mighty, this is an excellent travel camera for the price. 20MP Live MOS Sensor. Portable, weather-sealed design. 121-point all-cross-type on-chip phase detection AF. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7C. The Sony Alpha 7C is the best camera for travel photography if you care about image quality. It's one of the most compact full-frame bodies on the market, proving that you don't need to sacrifice image quality for portability. While it's the largest option on this list, and full-frame lenses will inevitably take up more space, it's impressive how compact Sony made this camera while including features like in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and a fully articulated screen. The Alpha 7C's high-resolution full-frame sensor handles noise incredibly well in low-light environments, with plenty of dynamic range to capture a wide array of detail. The camera also has a fantastic battery life and sturdy, weather-sealed construction, giving you more peace of mind when shooting outdoors. That said, its ergonomics leave a little to be desired, particularly its small viewfinder. Its successor, the Sony Alpha 7C II, is a good alternative if you need a higher resolution sensor and upgraded video specs. Still, the original Alpha 7C is a better overall deal for most travelers because it's cheaper and has most of the same features. World's smallest and lightest one full-frame camera. Advanced 24.2MP 2-back illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor. 4K Movie 3W/full pixel readout. No pixel binning or crop in HDR4. 15-stop 5 dynamic range, 14-bit uncompressed RAW, ISO 650 to 204,800. 693 phase detection/425 contrast AF points W/93% image coverage. Max focal length, 35.0mm. Video. Number 3. Fujifilm XT30. If you can do without IBIS and want something a bit more affordable, the Fujifilm XT30 is a great mid-range option. It uses an APS-C sensor and has a portable, lightweight body that's ideal for traveling. While it lacks more premium features like weather sealing and advanced video specs, it's still a relatively sturdy camera, and its dedicated exposure dials give you more hands-on control over exposure settings. At the heart of the XT30 is a high-resolution sensor that delivers excellent image quality straight out of the camera. Film simulation profiles make the camera a blast to shoot with and make it easy to change up the look of your photos in camera. On top of that, it has a decent autofocus system and a relatively long-lasting battery life, making this an excellent travel camera for the price. Number 4. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. If you're on a tighter budget, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a great choice that brings a lot of value to the table. Like its higher-end sibling above, it uses a 4/3 sensor, making for a remarkably portable camera kit with plenty of lightweight and affordable lens options. It's also a great choice for beginners, thanks to simple controls and easy-to-use creative shooting modes. This is also one of the few cameras at this price point with in-body image stabilization, so it's a good choice if you also like to shoot vlogs or videos on the side. IBIS can also be useful in low light, letting you shoot at slower shutter speeds without a tripod. However, it's still an entry-level model, so build quality isn't the greatest. Its autofocus system can also be sluggish. If you'd prefer a camera with a more reliable autofocus system, the Canon EOS R50 is an amazing alternative and is even a bit cheaper.